Hi children, next we are going to another topic, that is subtracting a number from itself. When we subtract a number from itself, the answer will be always 0. Yes, when we subtract means, for example, you see here 4 minus 4, it is there. What will come? 0. In my finger 5, in my hand 5 fingers are there. I am closing 5 fingers. Anything it is there in my finger? 0, no need. Nothing it is there. What will call for this? 0. Now by using the number line, we will see in number line how many numbers will be there, children? As 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now write down the numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. For example, 5 minus 5, it is there. Yes. What is this first number? In tens column, what is this number? 5. You have to keep 5, one finger here, and you have to move back side. That means left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got no children answer? 0 only. 5 minus 5, 0. Yes. Again one more example I will tell you. 6 minus 6. Now keep one finger on 6 and move how many steps? You have to move back side. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What answer you got it? 0. Yes. Next one, 7 minus 7. Now you tell where you have to keep your finger. Yes. On 7. Yes. You have to move right side or left side. Yes, you have to move left side. That is 1, 2. How many steps you have to move? 7 steps. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What you got? Is 0. I think you understood this. Shall I explain again one more time? When you subtract a number from another number, you will be getting the number 0 only. For example, 4 minus 4, it is a 0. Again 7 minus 7 also 0. Next, going to another topic, that is vertical subtraction. Vertical means this is a vertical subtraction means what? This is a standing line. It is called a vertical subtraction. Vertical means what? Standing line you call as a vertical subtraction. First see what is this number? First number is 9, it is there. Now 9 stars you draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 down number, what is this? Minus 5. From 9 onwards, you have to take away 5. These are how many stars are there here? Totally 9 stars are there. You have to cut off, take away how much? 5. Now take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Now again like this only. 9 minus 5. What is this? It is a sleeping line. Means horizontal. This is standing line means vertical. Again sleeping line means horizontal. 9 in the mind, again same like this only. I took 9 stars. How many are you take away? 5 you cut off. How many are remaining? What is this answer? Yes, 9 only. In addition, if you add 5 minus 9 minus same answer it came, but here also 9 minus 5 also 4 only. Again in horizontal method 9 minus 5 also 4 only. Again next one you go. What is this? 8 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What are these pictures? Squares. How many are there? 8 squares are there. Among these 8 squares, how much? Which number you have to take away? 3. You have to cut off 3. 1, 2, 3. Remaining how many are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a vertical addition, subtraction, and 8 minus 3. That is horizontal method. 8 on the mind, again 3 in your fingers. 8 before, 7, 6, 5. Same answer you got, no children? 5. Yes, next one, 7 minus 6. From 7 onwards, you have to take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 circles are there. You have to take away how much? 6. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much it is remaining? Yes, 1. Yes, now in horizontal method, 7 minus 6. 7 in the mind, again 6 in your finger. 7 before, 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, in vertical if you subtraction, same number you got. If you do in horizontal method also, same number you got. Few sums are there in page number 54 and 55. Next topic, children, subtract the following. This is minus. You have to take away 8 from the 3. Now, what is this number? 7 and 2. 7 from 7 onwards, you have to take away 2. 7 in the mind, 2 in your finger. 7 before, 6, 5. Yes, what is the answer? 5. Here, what is this number? 6. 6 in the mind, 4 in your fingers. 6 before, 5, 4, 3, 2. 8 in the mind, 3 in your fingers. 8 before, 7, 6, 5. Here, which is big number? 4 and 2 in your fingers. 4 before, 3, 2. Here 9 in the mind, 2 in your fingers. 9 before number, 8, 7. Now you tell children in these two numbers which is a big number? Yes, 3 is the big number and 2 in the fingers. 3 on the mind, 2 in your fingers. 3 before number, 2, 1. Here 8 in the mind, 4 in your fingers. 8 before, 7, 6, 5, 4. Here 9 in the mind and 6 in your fingers. 9 before, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Yes, I hope you understood how to subtract. Next one, facts about subtraction of 6. Means here some circles are there. One number will be decreasing. If you subtract, now one number will be decreasing. Now listen carefully. Here how many circles will be there? 6 circles. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. What is this? Subtraction means minus. Total how many are there? 6. 6 minus 6, what I told just now. How many are there, children? 6. Here I am not taking away any number. Means you think this as a 0. 6 minus 0 is equal to how much? 6 only. Next, here how many are there circles? Yes, you know that 6. Again, from 6 onwards you cut off 1. Minus 1. From 6 onwards, if you take away 1, what you will get? Count how many are there. Leaving this, you count remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, what you got? 5. Here next one, how many are there circles? Is equal to 6. From this 6, you have to take away minus 2. take away from 6 2. How many are remaining? 1 2 3 4. What you got? 4. Next, total how many circles are there? 6. You have to take away 3. 1 2 3. If you take away 6 from 3, how many are remaining? 1 2 3 is equal to 3. Next, total how many are there? Is equal to 6 minus 4. If you take away from 6 4, cut off 1 2 3 4. How many are remaining? 1 2 is equal to 2. Next, total circles how many? 6 minus 5. How many you have to take away? 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Remaining how many are there? 1. Yes. Now see here. Here also I am not cutting anything. Here also we are cutting all. 6 minus 6 means 1 2 3 4 5 6. Anything is there? 6 minus 6. What you got it? 0. Now see here children. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. One it is decreasing order and next one it is descending order. Yes, I think you understood. Next children, subtraction facts of 7. Here how many circles are there? Count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7. What is the symbol of subtraction? Minus. Here we are not cutting any number. Think as a 0. 7 minus 0, 7. Next, 7 minus 1. From 7, how much you have to take away? 1. If you take away 1, how many are remaining? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is equal to 6. Next, 7 minus 2. From 7 onwards, if you take away 2, how many are remaining? 1, 2. Count remaining 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, total circles how many? 7 minus 3. From 7 onwards, if you take away 3, how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3. Remaining count 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 minus 4. Total how many? 7. From 7 if you take away 4, cut off 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining ones 1, 2, 3. Here also 7 minus 5. From 7 onwards if you cut away 5, how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining how many are there? 1, 2. Here also 7 minus 6. Here what is this? 7 minus 6. From 7 onwards, how many you have to take away? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remaining what is this? Is equal to 1. Next, what is this total? 7 minus 7. From all circles you have to take away from 7 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is remaining? 7 minus 7? 0. Yes, you understood. This is also second one it is decreasing order and next one it is increasing order. Next, subtraction facts of 9. Here you see how many circles are there. Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Here we are not taking away anything. 9 minus 0 is equal to what will come? 9. Yes. Here 9 minus 1. From 9 onwards you take away 1. How many are remaining? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next 9 minus 2. From 9 onwards you take away 2. 1, 2. Remaining how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. 9 minus 3. From 9 onwards you take away 3 and cut off 1, 2, 3. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is equal to 9 minus 4. From 9 onwards you take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is equal to 9 minus 5. From 9 onwards you take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 minus 6. From 9 onwards you take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remaining 1, 2, 3. 9 minus 7. From 9 onwards you take away 7. Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remaining how many are there? 1, 2. 9 onwards we have to take away 8. Now count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remaining how many are there? 1. Here 9 minus 9 means you have to cut off all 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 9, what is this children? 0. Yes, here also second line it is ascending order and next one it is decreasing order. Yes, I think you understood. Page number 58 and 59. Subtraction facts are there. I'll send you the pic. Do this as a homework.